Hello friends, in this video we'll change the wheel bearing. To do this we need to disassemble the wheel, calipers and platters. First there is such a nut, unscrew the bolt and then the nut itself. Then remove the hub. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, we need to knock out the old bearing with support and press in a new bearing with support. And after that, collect everything in reverse order. Now guys, we are pressing in a new bearing with support and now collect everything in reverse order. Friends, we need to tighten the knot until it stops and then release a quarter of a turn. And at the same time we check by hand. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.